Hi, and thank you for watching this brief tutorial on how to translate directions or brief instructions into multiple languages at the same time. Please note that your students will have to be literate in their home language, so you should know your students and know their home language abilities. We do recommend that you keep your messages short, clear, and concise. You can enter them into multiple cells within that column. Also, and most importantly, is if you're going to start this practice in your classroom, make sure you make your own copy of the Google Sheets and not edit the existing one, or I will have to remove it from the EAL webpage. So make a copy for yourself and know your students' ability to read in their home language, and keep your messages clear and concise. Speaking of clear and concise, I'm going to try my best to explain Google Sheets in a very user-friendly way. I hope we have it set up in a way that just allows you to edit the texts, and it doesn't require any real tech-savvy skills. I would also like to thank a teacher at Tupper, Sir Charles Tupper, who has shared this information, and it's a game changer for sure. So thank you. All right, I'm going to share my screen. Okay. I'll make this a little bit bigger. Hopefully you can see this. So in the first column, we have the text message that you would like to translate, and then we have it available in multiple languages. As you can see, to the right of the language name is a little 2-letter code. We have included a link to the document that has the codes there for you. So all you have to do, if you wanted to add a new language, for example, is, let's say we want to change Afrikaans to German. You can write in the title. And then the code is DE. We just put that there for our information. I'm going to delete the cells. So what we're going to do is, when you click on a cell, a formula becomes available in the formula bar. You're going to copy and paste this. So you're going to copy it. You're going to go to this cell here below German, and you're going to paste that code, or sorry, formula back in. And instead of it being ES for Spanish, you're going to put DE for German and hit enter. And now you can see that this cell has been generated with German language. You're going to click on the bottom right-hand corner and drag it down to the cells that you want it to fill. And now it has translated all of these messages into German. And that's it. Copy and paste your cell, change the code of the language, and your codes can be found through this link. If you want to say it is sunny today, there's nothing here. All you do is click and drag the the cells down. Oh, sorry. And it will fill in with those languages. I hope you find this useful and are able to incorporate it into your classrooms and supporting your newcomer students. Thank you.